Hey guys, it's me, Shannon Rodriguez, here again making another video. For today's video, I'm going to be making the look that I'm going to be doing to go out to dinner for my boyfriend's birthday. Right now we're staying at a hotel. We have this whole vlog that we made. I made really fun activities for him to do today. So that's going to be my next video, so stay tuned for that. But for this video, it's just going to be a really fast because we're running late. I have to be down at the restaurant that I made reservations for his birthday in like 30 minutes. I was looking at my hand like there's a watch here. So like in 30 minutes, I have to be down at the restaurant. So this is going to be super fast. For foundation, I already applied it and I used the Neutorgena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup in 85 Honey. So I used that one, and I did my brows off camera also, which is the Dark Brow Shaping Kit from Benefit. So now I'm going to move on to my eyes really fast, and for eyes, I'm super excited. We're going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. So I'm excited to use this. It has so many pretty shades, lights to darks, love. This is going to be a super easy look. So let's just jump into it. I want to test out the brush because I've only used this, I think once I used it. So for today's look, since I'm going easy, I'm going to go in with the color, this color right here, Sauced. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I move back into my face in a second. I feel like the lighting is really bad here, I'm sorry. It's the hotel lighting. The brush is pretty good. I got a cut on my eye, so there's like a little scratches right there, which really irritate me, but whatever. I'm gonna take it and bring it in here to the corner of my eye. Do the same thing with the other side. To deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to go in with the color He Devil right here. And bring it straight into the corner as well. I'm using these colors just to create nice dimension, add some color to my lids. So it looks nice and pretty, super fast. All you need is just 2 different colors, that's it. Then I'm going to be going in with the shade Lumbre, whatever, into this shade right here. And I'm going to be putting that straight on my eyelids, so. So my boyfriend's birthday today has actually been so much fun. I have like 10 different things for him to do to prove that he's 21. And then I rented out this hotel for him for his birthday, so he's been having a good time. I've been treating him like a prince today. He cannot complain. I want to add just a little bit of depth to my eye, so I'm going to go in with En Fuego, which is this color right here, En Fuego. I'm going to put that only in the corners of my eyes. I'm going to put that right here to create some depth in my eyes. This there, and then the excess that I have when I almost nothing on my brush, I just sweep it over my crease. But make sure that it stays nice and deep on the edges, so right over here. Nice circular motions to blend everything in. And then when you think you don't have a lot of product on, just brush it right over your crease so that everything looks coherent and not like patchy or anything. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. We'll just make a little liner and then that is it. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eyestudio in Black is Black, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, Black is Black. And I'm going to do that off camera. So, no wing. And I'm back with eyeliner now. That's the eyeliner right there. Moving back to the face to finish us off, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette and just going into the lightest shade. So let's go into this one right here. I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes. Oh wow, that's really light. Try that other one. I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes. Blend it in with my hands. I feel like when you blend it in with your hands, the warmth of your hands really helps melt the product in really nicely into your skin. A little bit, highlight my nose with it. Cover up my chin. I was gonna contour with it too, but we ain't got time today. So, going into the Anastasia Contour Kit, not the cream one, the powdered one, I'm just gonna go into the lightest shade for underneath my eyes, and then I'm going with the banana shade for my whole face, for the outer portion of my face. So, right there. This really brightens it up. It's really hard to see because I know the light in here is really yellow, but this powder brightens up your face so much. And then with the banana shade, just go into the outer portion of your face. Boom. To contour, I'm going to be going in with the middle shade and then the more reddish shade. So those two shades. Brush off the excess. Looking toasted. Now for blush, I'm just going to be going into the Milani Rose D Oro. I love it. I love the gold like veins that it has going on. It really makes your skin look really luminous. Just like putting a little bit on my nose just to add like color. Going back to my eyes really quick, I'm just gonna use the Lash Sensational waterproof mascara from Maybelline. To highlight underneath my eye right here and in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be going back into the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette and just taking the lightest shade, this one right here, which is called Ounce. Right there. Just take that, and we're going to put that right underneath the brow. Right there. The last thing is putting the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, just to make sure everything sets, nothing goes away. Okay guys, this is the finished product right here. This is how it looks, this is how I'm going out. I'll show you guys my outfit in another clip. But I hope you guys liked it. I love the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette. It is amazing. The products are amazing. They blend out amazingly, as you can see. So it did a really good job, and I love that that was literally the only palette I brought on this trip, was just that one. So highly recommend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for my vlog. I swear it's gonna be nice. You're gonna see what I did for my boyfriend. You get to see the hotel too. So I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time.